Hi guys, so today we're going to go through step by step how to make a Sciortino's plain pie, and let's get right to it. First, you're going to want to roll out the dough and make sure it's evenly spread out. Then you're going to want to oil it up a little so it's good enough to knead and easy to knead, and then you're going to spread it out. Then you're going to spread your pizza sauce on the entire dough. After, you're going to sprinkle some cheese. Now, you're going to want to cook your pizza at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Throughout the cooking time, you're going to want to rotate your pizza so that it cooks evenly. After 10 minutes, take out your pizza so it can cool down. Once it cools down, put it back in the oven for another 5 to 8 minutes so that the crust becomes crispy. Be sure to rotate the pizza again so that it's evenly cooked. Finally, take out your pizza, slice it, enjoy.